Okay, welcome back. We've been created the database using SQLite through command line, SQLite CLI command line interface. Also, we download this DB browser. A different way to explore the data. Now we go to the center point. Okay, the core part. We try to use a Python, right? Python, that's what we are here, right? So here's a bunch of code, a small code, and wonderful graphics. Remember, it looked like a file handle, but now it's a cursor. So it's a database, usually like a water tank, huge. Maybe some have a different cylinder. But here comes a different thing that we can execute based on this cursor, database cursor. So this is your Python program. First, we need to connect to the database and get the cursor. Use the cursor SQL to execute the SQL. See, here's the inside SQL command. You close. So I'm going to explore this by efficiency. Efficiently, I would copy this code. Okay, you can copy and save it. So here's my directory, right? Do you remember curl in Unix? We can actually retrieve on the internet the data. Okay, here I got the db1 file, so we can look at it. vi is a basic editor, no fancy. If I want to fancy, I need to use. Is this syntax sound? Okay, so this is something a bit fancier. But anyhow, that is vim. So import something. So can we run this? Yes, we can run this. We can run this. So let's run Python. Python 3, db2.py, right? Okay, let's look at what happened. We got a new database called Music SQLite. That is exactly the code did, right? So now let's use SQLite command to read back. Okay. See, tables. Oh, we have created a track. So where is this track? So let's look at the SQL command. Drop table if exist track. Okay. If the track exists, they will delete it and recreate a new one. Okay. And then actually create a table. So this is the place really create a table. So where's the schema? Yeah, see? The same line, right? But do we have any data? No, right? Not yet. Not yet. But literally, we can use this way to study. Okay. We can actually issue through this command, also through the code, right? But eventually, we write a program for automate something. A lot of things we need to insert, maybe too many. We feel tired, get bored, right? So we write a program to loop through this job, right? So that is the later code. We can have a look. Okay, this is a db1 exercise. So from here we can know, okay, connect a little bit like we use a SQLite, right? Open, right? Open the database. Now we can open our previous example, ex1, right? So I connect to it, but now my table will be different. will be TBL1. That is the previous database. Okay, so I can use this to switch back and forth. So the textbook table is the music SQLite. Okay, the creator, the table name is called track. So if I switch back, that would be music. Okay, now the table will become track. Okay, track. So I think that's it. Maybe we can continue do this thing, right? They want to create a table. Yeah, we already finished this, and continue do this thing. This line, see, this is a new program, the db2, db1 different. db1 create a table, db2 started to insert the data, right? So let's see, we can figure out what's the difference between writing the code in the Python and the difference when we directly interact with the user command line, right? In our previous example, open, let's see, if I dump the thing, I insert into table value, right? But here you can see they are more formal. They need to table parameter name, right, and the value. Okay, and there's a trick here. The value part, they use a question mark. Okay, and actually this is a placeholder which corresponded to the second parameter of the first tuple. Okay, this is a tuple, the first element of the tuple. So this is the second element. Okay, this is for security, to avoid what people call a SQL injection. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Google it. What is SQL injection? Okay, people may do the bad thing by using that SQL injection. So this is how we do in the code, quite a little bit different than we interact with this. Okay, so let's see if we can figure it out. Now I would like to switch back to track tables. Okay, so I'm going to insert the first command. Okay, values, but now I am not writing the Python program, right? I'm input on my own, so I just use copy paste. Sorry, copy paste from the PDF could be not quite accurate. Sometimes you miss some character, you need to recheck it. Yeah, this time looks fine. Okay. Yeah, but I see insert, there's a problem for the first I gone missing. Okay, so that's pretty much the line, right? So semicolon at the end. What's wrong? Track. No such table. Oh, stupid me. I should have opened a database, not a table. Okay, so this command did a stupid thing. Okay, and tables. Yeah, we do have a track. Now I can insert it. I can check the schema to make sure. So there's a track table. Okay, so I can now reissue, use arrow, go up to go back to what I have typed to speed up. Okay, now I have successfully inserted one record. Okay, so Salamo, remember mode box. Select from track. Okay. See, yeah, the first record succeeded. Okay. Now let's do it by copy paste second record from the code. It seems to try to insert a second track for the music. This music record called My Way. The play count is 15. Okay. Ooh. See, now I have a 2 record. Okay. The code need to commit it because sometimes we need to write back to the disk. Okay, so that they won't have they make the transaction, everything become the one transaction. Otherwise, they make some data inconsistent. In some case, the power maybe failure or some machine crash. So committed is to write back to the disk. Okay, so these two essentially very important to insert data. I have demonstrated what's the difference between writing the program by using the SQLite library. It's a library module. You can use it or you can explore on your own. And the rest part is what's that? Is select the select starter. We can specify which attribute from track and print out something. Okay, this one is the delete, right? They try to delete something, the record only if that record its play attribute less than 100. So far, everything is less than 100. So I'm going to test this. Okay, delete. But the first time I decided to type by my own, on my own, delete. Okay, from track, right? So it's a where close. You can use this. Okay, place. I feel like kill my way. Okay, kind of. So my logic need to be maybe less than 16, right? So like the thunderstruck will save. Okay, let's check. Yes. Okay, so it's gone, right? My way has been deleted. Okay, so this is the command that we can remove the data. Okay, so we use this, but the code, if you want to specify every single one, you can specify title place. Yeah, star means a wild card, means everything. Okay, you can only display one attribute. Yeah, so yeah, you know. Okay, that's pretty much that I'm trying to demonstrate. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.